Hey guys, so we're here with HP at CES 2025 to check out all the new products they have in store. Let's go take a look. All right, so what if you wanted a gaming monitor that could do a little more? This is the Omen 32x, and what's cool about this is it actually has Google TV, so you could actually like check out your favorite shows and even stream. It's a lot of really cool things going on with this one. The Omen 32x is a 144 hertz 4K UHD monitor with cloud gaming and native streaming support. It supports effortless switching between consoles, laptops, desktops, peripherals, and Android phones, and allows streaming up to 4 platforms directly from the display. So here we have Google TV integrated. If you press this button right here, you have all your inputs. If you long press it and go to different modes, there's the desktop mode, because we have the PC connected here. And if you press the home button, you go right back to Google TV. Another cool thing is that you could do Android casting right from your phone. You could even bring up DX mode in case you want to get some work done. It's just a lot of utility you could get from this gaming monitor beyond just gaming. I like the fact that, you know, it's 32 inches, so it's like that perfect size of like, it's big, but not too big. 4K, it looks super sharp, which I really like. HDR. And I also got to bring up this anecdote. I like the fact that it's called the 32X, which reminds me of a console I used to love, which didn't do very well. Shout out to the 32X, Sega 32X. And what's cool about this is that you don't need something big and fancy like an Elgato to start streaming. You could do it right from here, so you don't need a big setup, which is pretty convenient and also pretty cost effective. So right here you see you have a lot of options, which is really cool. These are just some of them that are available. Cool.
So there we go, now I'm streaming.
Oh wow, that's cool. Yeah, right to the YouTube.
Right to YouTube.
Yeah. It also has Google TV, which obviously you can watch your movies, shows, and other subscriptions. And you go right back into gaming. You finish watching TV, you're like, okay, I'm done with that. I want to play some games now. Jump right into it. Very, very seamless. And I'm also going the wrong way. For more CES coverage, be sure to follow us on social @TomsGuide. I'm Tony Polanco, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.